My people, this rainy season is not smiling on Lagos State people. Abeg, if you get any relation or any friend where they live for Lagos, please try and reach out to the person. In this video, I'll be showing you different locations where the flood is really disturbing Lagos people. If you have any relation in Lagos, I will advise you reach out to them at least to know how they are doing. The flood is not smiling on Lagos people this time around. Please help us share this video. So for those of them that have relations in Lagos, try and reach out to them to know how your person they do. Make you know here say this rainy season carry them they go where they know.
They show them. Everybody they soak. See this one save. This one if you don't take time, you go up for there. That pigeon. That pigeon, where they go?
Wow.
The pumper. That one. They show.
The good thing you go help us do na to share this video, otherwise this rainy season go carry your person dey go the states wey you no go fit understand themselves. Help us share this video, make people reach out to people wey dey related to them, because majority of people might not know that this is what Lagos people are passing through.